Momen menakutkan fans K-pop ketika melewati batasan. Yang pertama, momen ketika member Hyper dikasih pertanyaan aneh dan mendesar oleh penggemar.
Will you buy me?
I don't buy.
Will you buy me?
Just nibble.
Nibble? Where? Do you want to guess my MBTI?
I.
I'm actually not an introvert.
Really?
I'm neither an extrovert.
E.
I'm a pervert.
Berikutnya ada momen fans yang meminta Wonyeon untuk menjadikannya pelayan di villa milik Wonyeon.
Have you bought a big villa recently? Have you met a housekeeper?
Lalu ada fans Hyunjin Lee Serafin yang marah dan kesal karena merasa kurang diperhatikan oleh Hyunjin dan mengancam akan beralih ke member lain.
If you only need one fan, I'll go and only write to her right now. Lisa, from now on, if you keep doing this, this will be our last time.